have to start training your mind to believe that it's possible for you. Oh, it's hot. Over the last 3 years, I've been diagnosed with a handful of things. And in this process of healing, it's not been linear. We have to first believe that it's even possible for us to be healed. We have to believe it's even possible for us to be in the career of our dreams, or find the person that we want to be with, or go on vacation, or have that car, or experience that adventure. Everything starts in the mind. So I'm here to remind you that you need to believe it first. Before you do anything else, you have to start training your mind to believe that it's possible for you. Once you believe it, you'll start to see opportunities around you that align with that, because what you focus on grows. Your brain likes to do this cool thing where it makes what you're thinking make sense. If you want your brain to prove you right in the direction you want to go in your life, you need to start focusing on that direction. It doesn't mean you're not going to have days that are like, oh, too much. But it does mean that you don't give up and you keep pushing and moving towards that. Anyway, I love you guys. Bye.